there, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Andy. Today I get to show you this beautiful style from Raquel Welch. This is Posh Premier and the color is Black Coffee. Raquel Welch really designed a special style with Posh Premier. This is a short style, but yet you can do different things with this style. I feel like it was very thoughtfully designed, and we're going to talk about why I feel that way about this style. But I'm going to first lean in and just put my fingers through these fibers and just let you see how realistically they move. Isn't that so pretty? It moves like real hair. Would you believe me if I told you that this style only weighs 2.3 ounces? This was designed and created with the FeatherLite Fibers, which is the new fiber from Raquel Welch that is hollow in the middle. Every single strand of fiber hair on this wig is hollow in the middle, like they compare it to a straw, or I compare it to my favorite pasta, which is bucatini, which is a very thin, long pasta that is hollow in the middle. So, but yeah, look how pretty this is. Before I spin around and let you see this beautiful style, I do want to thank TL Wigs for sending me Posh Premier so that I'm able to review this for you today. It's got a nice 2-inch nape. Raquel Welch says that Posh Premier gives chic and polished vibes worthy of your next red carpet moment. I think that's pretty true. I think this is just a gorgeous style from Raquel Welch. When I put Posh Premier on yesterday, I thought, oh my goodness, this is so comfortable. This cap is really, really special. Very, very comfortable with these FeatherLite Fibers. You put those two together and you're going to get a 2.3 ounce wig that is gorgeous and extremely comfortable. I could wear this all day long from morning until night, no problem. You know, a lot of times as wig wearers, if we have them on for an extended period of time, I know for me, when I get in the car or when I get home, I'm ripping it off. I'm ready to get it off my head. But this, honestly, is so, so comfortable. And I'm just so impressed with these silky, smooth, soft fibers. These are heat-friendly fibers, so you could add curls in this if you wanted to. You could totally do that with these fibers. Very, very pretty. I haven't seen anywhere that Raquel Welch calls this a pixie, but for me, it kind of does give like some pixie vibes because you've got this 2-inch nape down here. But that nape also is fuller than most pixies that I've worn. And if you've watched my other videos, you know I love a good pixie because in my own bio hair, I've worn a pixie for over 30 years. But, you know, this has lots of layers in it. See how layered it is? And I have not put a comb in this. I have not put any product in this. It just, out of the box, is just beautiful. Just so pretty. But they always do a fantastic job with their lace fronts. So this is no exception. Look how pretty that is on a very, very dark wig. This is 4-6 Black Coffee. So very dark brown, but very nicely done. And it's temple to temple. So it goes from here to here. And this has a full mono top, and it's also hand tied on the sides here. On the back at the top, and then on the sides, you've got hand tying. So anywhere that you part up here on this mono top, it's going to look just like your scalp. See that? When it came to me, and when it comes to you, it will come parted on the left. But you can easily move that on the right, the center, wherever you want, and it's going to look just like your scalp. Now, this Luxe-Like cap also has something very unique, and it has silicone ear tabs with stays, and also an extended nape with stays that has silicone over it as well. If you don't like the silicone on the ear tabs and the nape, all you have to do is get a seam ripper or a small pair of scissors and clip the threads and it will come right off, and you've got velvet covered ear tabs and nape underneath that. Now on this cap you do have the hand tying all around except from about this part of the back down, and that is closed wefting down here, and that closed wefting actually supports the structure of this wig cap, and I think it actually serves another purpose. And it actually allows us to have a little bit of permatease back here. And I like that because I like having that little flippy back here. I really like how they did that. And otherwise you can just brush it down with your fingers and make it flat. But I like that little kickiness that you can get back here. I just think it's fun. I do just want you to know that you can, pop that up back there and just get a different look altogether. I want to make sure that you know with this nape that you can just smooth that down just by putting your hands over it, and look how nice and smooth that goes. Isn't that pretty? I think I've been putting my fingers in it and kind of flipping it up, but many of you will just like to wear it probably, flat. But let's go over the measurements here. On this fringe here, we have 6.5 inches. On the sides, we have 3 1/4. The crown is 5. And then on the nape, we have a great little 2-inch nape. Just beautifully done. Temple coverage on Posh Premier is excellent. Look at this temple coverage over here. Really nicely done there. Everything about this cap is perfection. Really, really nice job. I think Raquel Welch does some of the best bangs in the business. They really do a nice kind of a swoopy bang. And look how pretty that is. Isn't that just so pretty and elegant looking? Easy. I mean, I did nothing to that. I did nothing to that at all other than just run my fingers back through it. But you can cut a shorter bang in this if you want. So they actually call this fringe, but you can cut a bang in it if you want to. Really, really pretty. So let me just show you some different ways and things that you can do to Posh Premier to give her a different look. Of course, I just showed you how you can flip the back out, but if you like, and I love an asymmetrical pixie, not that this is a pixie, but I love just an asymmetrical look there. Look how easy that is. It's cute. You can tuck both of them behind your ears if you want to do that. Pull that down a little bit. It's pretty, isn't it? This actually has some flips in it. Now I can pull this down, and this has like a little bit of body in it where, see these, it's got a little bit of wave in it. You can see some of the waves in it back here. I can get my fingers in it. Even though this is what I would consider a light to medium density wig, I can get my fingers in this and get some volume in it because this has a good bit of hair on it. I want to flip it over on the right hand side. How easy that flips over. These fibers just feel amazing. Very easy to work with. Again, you have that little flip on it if you want to flip that out. Or you can straighten it. Pull this down. Kick that up back here. You also get really nice coverage around here on the sides. I've never really been one to right side part my hair, but I think that's kind of pretty. And then you can kind of bring that bang down a little bit to where it kind of swoops over a little bit. But you can see how versatile one style is. You can get a lot of styles out of this. And you can also put a headband in it. I think a center part on this will be pretty too. But watch, I'll put a headband in it. See here? It's cute. It's very pretty. I think these fibers are going to be a real hit for Raquel Welch. They just feel wonderful. I am a 21¼ head circumference, and this fits me beautifully. I do have the adjusters pulled all the way in, and that it fits me really, really nicely. So you have quite a bit of room if you're bigger than a 21¼ to let it out. And all my measurements are down in the description box below if you want to compare yours against mine. I also want to show you what Posh Premier looks like with both sides out, just so you can see without it being tucked behind my ear how pretty that is. Let's talk about this color, 4-6 Black Coffee. Now, Raquel Welch describes this as a rich dark brown, and we have the two colors, 4 and 6. So 4 is the darkest brown, and 6 is a dark brown. And I think that this is a warm color. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, this to me does not look like black coffee. Black coffee to me would have a 2 in it somewhere because I'm just not seeing black. When I put this on, my husband said, well, that looks brown. I thought you said it was black coffee. And I was like, yeah, you know, I'm looking at it. I even looked at the box again to make sure I got 4-6, but it is a brown. It is a dark brown and a medium brown on this wig, and it's a beautiful color. But the color name just kind of threw me off a little bit. Very pretty. I'm also going to show this to you in outdoor lighting. I hope that you have enjoyed this review of Posh Premier by Raquel Welch in this pretty color, Black Coffee. I'm going to spin around one more time so you can see it from all sides before I leave. And don't forget to click on that link in the description box if you would like to get yourself a Posh Premier. And all you have to do is use the code Andy at checkout, and you're going to be sent a gift card as a way for TL Wigs to say thank you for your purchase. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Click here to see my review of the gorgeous curly style Estetica Fin.